Welcome to August 2018 Auto News. Many exciting events happened in August. Let's see some of them. Ford has celebrated the production of its 10 millionth Mustang at Flat Rock Assembly Plant in Michigan. Ford Mustang is the best-selling sports car of the last 50 years. Is featured in more movies and has more Facebook followers than any other car in the world. The 10 millionth is painted Wimbledon White, just like the one Ford recognizes as the first production Mustang. It comes with 460 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Fernando Alonso has announced that he will retire from Formula One at the end of the 2018 season as his contract with McLaren expires. Alonso started his career at the Australian Grand Prix of 2001 and won the 2005 and 2006 champions when racing for Renault. In June 2018, he won the Le Mans 24-hour sports car race at his first attempt. The 37-year-old is expected to embark on a full-time driver in IndyCar with hoping to win the Indianapolis 500 to complete motor racing's Triple Crown. Only Graham Hill, the British racing driver, has won all 3 classic races in the history of motorsport. Alonso ended 5-year dominance of the Drivers' Championship by Michael Schumacher and Ferrari when he became the F1 champion in 2005. He became the youngest ever driver to win the title at the time. Monterey Car Week was started on 18th August and ended on 26th August. It showed off some of the most incredible cars in the world. This year's best of show was 1937 Alfa Romeo 8C owned by David and Ginny Zitoric. A 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO, the third ever built, sold for $48.4 million, the most ever paid for a classic car at auction. While many of the events were focused displaying high-dollar classics, automakers used the opportunity to reveal their latest cars to the wealthy car enthusiasts. Here are some of them. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ was unveiled. It has a 6.5-liter V12 engine. Bugatti Divo was debuted. It is lighter and faster than the Chiron, with a top speed of 236 miles per hour. Infiniti unveiled the Prototype 10. Duatara, a 1750 horsepower hypercar from SSC. It has a twin-turbo 5.9-liter V8 producing 1350 horsepower and the ability to surpass the current top speed world record. Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is powered by a 3.9-liter V8 producing 720 horsepower. Amazon announced the Grand Tour game on 21st August. It will be an episodic racing game based on the hit Amazon Prime show of the same name. The game will feature a 4-player split-screen mode enabling players to compete against each other. It's not clear when the Grand Tour will arrive on the Xbox One and PlayStation 4. But the game's debut trailer says it's coming soon. News spread in early August about introducing some of the most beloved video games to Tesla electric cars. Elon Musk tweeted a handful of vintage Atari games plan for with an upcoming software update. Sebastian Vettel won the Belgian Grand Prix comfortably on 26 August. Lewis Hamilton took the second place. Vettel reduced Hamilton's championship lead to 17 points after sealing this commanding victory. With that, I'm winding up August 2018 Auto News. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll be presenting more Auto News in the coming months.